no grass there.
Not anymore, Mimi.
The grass is there. It is my dandelion. Oh, Mimi left you enough room to get through there.
He won't even let me fix his hat now. What a guy.
That is just the right size for him. Any shorter, he'd definitely over.
Yeah.
My farmer.
We'll have to throw it in the garbage off this. $1 maybe. Look how dirty he got already. Whoa, crash! Thank God you had your hard hat on.
When I look at me, it just pissed me off that Grandpa wouldn't even give him that train. Oh.
What?
When I see this.
What train? Oh, Papa.
Yeah, tell him just for $20.
Not grass. You said grass. You mean Dad.
Thanks for great Grandpa. Hey, I can't see you. We're seeing. Uh-oh. There you are.
Goes right by the tree. What a kid. That cracked me up. You need a break, sir?